blurry. I forgot to take my lens off. It has protective lenses, but they're so cloudy and dirty that I never leave them on. I accidentally left it on there, so hopefully it's not too bad. And you hung with us to see the clear good part. Now, I don't know until I edit this, but if it's really bad, I'll just chop off the beginning. And if you're wondering about it, we chopped off a few minutes at the beginning. If it was bad quality, if it was really bad, I'll just, like I say, chop it, cut that part off. I plan on doing a ride around the water here on the scooter myself. I think we'll do a switch, and Lisa will ride the bike and I'll ride the scooter. This is one area where you can't go too fast because there's too many people on the trail here, or path. And as I mentioned, the temperature here is still in the mid 80s, so it's still summer-like, as we're in the second half of October. I don't mind it one bit. I say, give me more, give me more. Catch up. I'm not even exactly sure what they call this water here, this body of water, but I'll just call it the lake. It's not a lake, really. I don't know. Maybe it is a little lake. Shelby Farms Park Lake. Let's call it that. I don't know. Maybe somebody knows that. I should have looked it up before I came here, but Alright, it looks like we just about made our way around the water here, so thank you very much for joining me on this video. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining myself and Lisa, special guest in front of me here on the scooter. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.